let's quickly look at how to format your paper, how to set up your title page, and how to set up your references, how to put them in alphabetical order. So this is how your title page would look like if you're writing a simple essay for school. There you do not need running head. You just need the page number. You need your title, which would be bold. Then you write your name. You will write the name of the university that you are in, university or college you are in. Then you're going to write the course number, and what is it called, like if it's English, it's called ENC 1101, English composition, so that's what you're going to put in here. Then you will write the name of your instructor, and of course the due date is very important, so put the due date as well. So this is important. So this is the definition of what exactly you would be doing. So the first thing is your paper title. That is the title of your essay that you're writing. You're going to write that in bold. So you see here, that's in bold. All the major words will have the first letter as capitalized, like here I is capital, G is capital, E is capital. The only thing that you do not have to capitalize is like on, of, and all these things. You do not have to capitalize this. Then you're going to write the name of the author, which I already told you. That would be you're writing your name. You're going to write the name of the university that you belong to, that you are in, then your course number, then the name of the professor, and the due date. Very important. That's what you're going to put in there. All right. And on the top is your page number. So it's easy. It's as simple as that. I'm going to show you an example again. This is your professional paper, like your research paper, your signature assignment, any dissertation, any thesis that you would be writing. For that, you would need a running head. But if you have done APS 6th edition earlier, you might be aware that we were writing running head exact word here. Now we do not need it. You just need to write the title of your paper, the shortened title of your paper here, but without the word running head. So for professional papers, you would need the running head and the page number as well. Here you would need to write your title of your essay, of your paper, then your author. Why we are saying authors? Because sometimes the bigger papers, the professional papers, there are more than one author, so that's why we are saying authors. If you are the only one writing it, it would be only your name. Okay, and then you would write the name of your university, wherever you belong to. That's about it. And also, please follow your instructor's guidelines. If he asks you to put in his name or date or whatever, you can do that for your research paper. But for a student paper, I already showed you, you do not need anything. You just need to put the name of university, your name, course number, and your date of submission. So here you can see the title of your paper, then the names of the authors, and of course the page number. So this is what you would be doing. So it's as simple. I'm going to show you some examples of papers here. So this is your paper. This is how it looks like, your student paper. So you, after like 4 spaces, you would be putting your title here. Bold your title. All right, bold your title. The first letter is capital. Don't put everything in capital. Then after 2 spaces, center. It should be centered. All right, you will write your name, university name, the name of your course, then you're going to put the name of your professor, and then the date it is due. And then on the next page, you will again put your title, and then you will start writing your paper. In the other video, we have discussed how you have to indent, what are the margins. So it's 1 inch from all the sides. You have to indent every new paragraph 1/2 inch. All right, so you can see that video for more details. So this is how your paper is going to look like if you want to put headings. There's another video that I have for headings, level 1, level 2, level 3, all the headings. That's a separate video that you can watch. But this is how your paper is going to look like. All right, and when you're done writing your paper, all the way in the end, you're going to write your references. So references, this is the exact word you're going to write, references. All right, and you see here, these are indented. This is called hanging indent. This is what I'm going to show you, how you're going to do hanging indent and how you're going to put all these references in alphabetical order. All right, so here I have already copy pasted some of the references here. They are not in hanging indent, it's not centered and all that. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you can do it. It's super easy. So first thing that you have to do is you have to make this references, word references, center. You're going to put it in center. And then what we're going to do, all my references, I am going to select them, and then I will do, since I'm working on a Mac, so I will do right click here. If you're not, you can see, if you're working on Word, you can see the paragraph icon here. You can do it from there too. So I'm going to go to my paragraph. I'll click here, and then you see here, these should be 0 here, but this one which says special, I'm going to click on this drop down and click on hanging. So this should be hanging here. This spacing, it should be 0 again, and line spacing should be double. So I'm going to make it double. All right, and then this should be always checked. Do not add space between paragraphs of the same style when you are formatting your paper. So it should always be checked here. Okay, and then you are going to do okay. So you see, it's super easy. It's already in hanging indent. All right, so all these sources are in hanging indent. Now this is not double space, so we have to format our paper for double spacing anyways. All right, so now I have to also make it alphabetical. So how do I do it? Do I go and find where is A and then where is B? It's going to take whole entire time. All right, so this is super easy. Again, you're going to select. All right, we selected it, and on the top here, you see here, it says A to Z. I'm simply going to click this, and then I'm going to say okay, and you will see that all these all my references are in alphabetical order now. All right, so this is how we can do it. So this is as simple as, so here I have double space, more than double space, so I'm just going to put it back, and this is, everything is double space now. All right, so this is how you format your references, and how this is how you put them in alphabetical order. All right.